Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and today we have another haul. In today's haul, I have 3 wigs from Amazon, all under $20, and I will be giving you my honest first impression. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first off, I have 2 natural-ish wigs, and then I have 1 straight hair wig to bob. So the first one is a synthetic Afro puff drawstring ponytail with bangs, short kinky curly hair. So first impression, the packaging, I should say, is great. Yeah, so this one actually normally retails for $12.89, but they had a flash deal, so I actually got it for $5.40, which not bad at all. So let's get into it. And the brand is called AISI, I believe. It's AISI. So let's see what this one comes with. This one, okay, we got some hoops. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. It's some gold hoops. We have a headband here. Just like a little tie headband, I'm assuming, to cover up the bang. So let's get it out the package. Okay. She looks real synthetic, which can be expected for $5.40. No, this is... Oh no, this is real synthetic. Like, it's giving me very much poodle vibes. And also, I don't know, maybe if I put mousse on it, it'll look a little bit better. But the front of it, the little bang part, is really, you see those 2 different textures? Like, what? It's really shiny. And then this is like, I guess that's their version of an afro. It's giving me poodle vibes, very much poodle vibes. So inside of the wig, we have a drawstring. Let's see if we have clips. No clips, just a drawstring. Okay, so basically, I guess my hair is just in a puff right now, so I guess the best thing to do is just to put in a top knot bun. So I'll do that. I'm also gonna grab some mousse. I don't have any mousse here. I didn't think I needed it. I'm gonna grab some mousse. Maybe that'll bring this to life right here. So, one sec. Okay. So I just put my hair in a little top knot bun. I didn't do anything with my edges because I have a couple more wigs to try on, so I didn't do anything to the edges. So I'll put a little bit of mousse on it, not too much. I put some in the front and I put some on the afro part of it, and I'm just gonna pick it out some because it was giving me like jerry curl vibes. So I'm just gonna pick this out. Like I said, I put a little bit of Lotta Body mousse in it, and the wig doesn't have like a really weird smell. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So give me a second. I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. I'm trying to figure this out. And I said it didn't have a clip. It does have a clip. One little clip here. So let's see if I can actually get this little puff part over this top knot bun. Okay, so I'm just gonna click it in. Let's pull this drawstring here. Okay, at first I was like, I didn't know about it, but I'm not mad, you know, for a synthetic wig off Amazon for $5.40. Not bad. I would, hold on, let's see if we can do this here. Okay. So this is very much giving me like a puff, like how I came in the video, just like a normal puff, you know. Now the only thing is these curls in the front looks very different. Let me try to section them out. Okay, this wig, she was giving me real synthetic vibes. It's still very much synthetic, but once you put a little bit of mousse, you know, fluff out the drawstring part of it, it's not that bad, you know. Not too bad. Let me put the little headband they gave us here. Let's add it. I'm assuming. Okay. I probably can make that a little bit cuter. Alright, I am not mad at it. For $5.40? Girl, you know, I think this would be great. I should probably pull this down a little bit more. I think this would be great for a newly transitioning person or somebody who just did like a big chop. Their hair is still in that awkward short length. This would actually be pretty legit. I'm like, okay, Amazon, $5.40. Okay, girl, I see you. Okay, she is, like I said, she is very much synthetic. Like, this ain't my hair, but it's passable, especially with this little headband they give you. I just gotta, you know, like, pull out these curls a little bit more, but sis, hold on, let me add the earrings. Let me add these earrings. Okay. It's a little $5.40 look. Okay. And like I said, this is the first impression, so I am not mad at it. Okay, what's the name of this one? Let's see. This is the AISI, I think it was drawstring ponytail. Now, okay, Amazon. This is the synthetic Afro puff drawstring ponytail with bangs. Short, kinky curly. Yeah. So right now it's actually $12.89. I will list the link below because I am not mad at it at all. I think she low-key growing on me, you know? Like, obviously if I was going out, I would adjust the little bang situation a little bit more. Fluff it out a little bit more. You even can get you some cold rod sets and, you know, add a little bit curls to the afro if you don't like the picked out afro look, but I like it. Girl, $5.40. This is a life hack, okay? So I just put my hair in these space buns. I don't know if it's too big. I might have to braid it and tie it down so this can fit over it, but it might give these a little bit more volume is what I'm hoping. Okay, drawstring just broke. Not looking good here. Still pull it out here. I probably could attach it. Now this one does come with the clip as well, which is cool. Again, we have the matted poodle look. I'm not gonna put any mousse on it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like without mousse, and if I think that we need to add some mousse, I will. I'm just gonna pull it out, zhuzh it a little bit, bring it back to life. Yeah, so let's try to get this first one on. And I got 1B color, but they did offer other colors. Okay, she is out there. She is an Afro puff. I give her that. Okay, let's tuck the little drawstring in. Okay. Alright. Okay, not mad at it. Let's just set this bad boy up here. Oh, okay, I didn't even need the little clip. It still pulls. I'm just gonna wrap this around for now. Okay. Again, not mad at it. Not the best, but also not the worst. And let's go back and see how much this one costs. This one was $12.99. Not sure if I already mentioned that, but okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this one either. Like, she is very much, in this state right now, first impression, she is very much synthetic. She is giving me wiggy azalea vibes, 100%. However, based off of that last one for $5.40, I believe that I can make this one look cute as well. Okay, like, you even could pull some of your hair out here, do 2 little strands coming down, two strand twists coming down. You could do a bang. You can do some curls up in the front. Again, not mad at it. First impression, not bad at all. Now, my hair is a little bit longer. I don't know how it will look on shorter hair. I would assume it would look the same. Just get your bun as tight as you can and fluff it out. Put these on top. And honestly, it doesn't. I take that back. It's not going to matter if you have long, short, medium hair, because these, you know, they're perfectly round and they're big. So I think you can get away with it with any length of hair. Now, if you have short hair and you buy this, let me know your results down below, because also not mad at it for $12.99. Not bad at all. Like I said, they say that you can use this for kids or adults, and I can certainly see you using this on little kids as well. Just 2 little afro puffs. I'm with it. I'm not mad. And this is without being styled at all. Like I said, you can add a little bit of mousse to it, add a little bit of cold rods to it, get some more curls popping. Not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so this is the 3rd and final wig, and this one is the one that I'm most excited about. Don't mind all of this right now. I just twisted up my hair and threw on this wig cap so we could try on this one, because this one is the bob with the bang bob, whatever you want to call it. And this one is by AISI hair, and it is a bob curly wig, synthetic short black wig with bangs. This one was actually the most expensive, and it came at $18.99. So this one was almost about 20 bucks. This is the packaging. Not bad. Please excuse my look. I look crazy. I know I look crazy. Sorry. But I'm reviewing it, so there's that. Okay, so this one came with did it come with anything? Oh, I guess it came with a wig cap. And that's it. Came with a wig cap. This is how the wig looks. Let's get it opened. Okay. So we have clips, and we have, I don't wear wigs a lot. I'm not sure what it's called. But the little, I guess, straps. We have straps as well. Clips in the front to clip the bang. This is how it looks. So far, not bad. So let's get this bad boy on. Definitely just throwing this on. Okay, so, okay, she is real tight. Real tight. My hair is brown, so it's weird looking to see that it's black. Okay, I just stuck this up here. I don't got time to clip it. Okay. All right, this one isn't bad either. This one's the one I was most excited for. Now, these bangs are pretty long. I do have a big forehead, and they are very long. But again, maybe I just quickly put this on, so maybe that's why. But not mad at it. It doesn't feel bad. It doesn't stink. It doesn't have that weird left in the warehouse for 5 years smell to it. This bang situation is a little bit different. Okay. Not mad at it. I should have got a different color. I believe all of these wigs came in different colors. What do you guys think? So as I said, I will be listing everything, all of my hairstyles on my Instagram. So I guess right now I'll just list them from 1 to 10. So first up was that synthetic afro puff with the bangs. That was the cheapest wig. It was $5.40, and that's the one I had the most doubt about, but it actually turned out well. Didn't disappoint me, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and rate that one a 7. You do have to style it a little bit, but it's nothing too excessive. So yeah, 7. Second one was the 2-piece afro puffs. Really cute. That's the one that was $12.99, and I'll rate that one probably a 9, because that's like my favorite go-to hairstyle. They're perfectly symmetrical. Lastly, we have the AISI hair bob curly wig that I have on right now. Unfortunately, I'm probably gonna rate this one a 6. It wasn't what I expected it to be. It's still cute. It's just not for me. But yeah, the quality is okay. It doesn't have like a weird smell. Definitely still recommend. I should have just got a different color. So thank you for watching. I would love it if you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, and I would love it if you get us there. Bye.